If you have a Piaggio MP3 with a dead battery, how do you open the seat to change the battery? There is no key to open the seat. You have your key fob, which requires the battery to pop the seat. Maybe you stored it for the winter, the battery's dead, you bought a new battery. How do you open the seat? In this video, I'm going to show you a trick on how to open the seat on a Piaggio MP3 with a completely dead battery. Whether it's from storage, whether you were out riding with your friends, you stopped at a restaurant, and now all of a sudden you come back out and you got a dead battery. Follow along in the video, we'll get this seat opened up, and I'll show you how to get to your battery if it's completely dead. So what we need to do, you take your regular key. You don't need to use your master key for this. Insert it into the ignition, and we're going to turn counterclockwise. Or as I'm looking at it, we're going to turn to the left. You're going to have to push in and to the left, and that will pop the rear trunk compartment. We'll push down to the left, that pops the rear trunk compartment. Now go ahead and open your rear trunk compartment, and I'm going to show you how to get to the seat latch. Alright, so we're looking at the back of the bike, going through the rear trunk, and you'll see that no pets sticker. Well, there's a latch right underneath there. See it right there? You're just going to push that latch to the left and lift up the seat at the same time. So I'll see if I can get the camera to stay. So I'm going to push this latch over. See right there? I'm going to push the latch to the left, and I'm going to lift up on the seat at the same time, and that's how you get your seat open. Alright, so looking at this from the outside, I'm pushing to the left, the little latch underneath there where it says no pets, pushing to the left, and then I'm just going to lift the seat at the same time. As you can see, my hand right here, and that's how you get your seat open. Now that you got your seat open, you can charge your battery, change your battery, whatever you need to do. Congratulate yourself on doing this trick, not having to call a dealer for service. Hope you guys found the video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.